In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Replace in Draw.io. This is a quick and reliable way to update repeated text across your diagram, whether you're standardizing labels, fixing a typo everywhere at once, or refining terminology after stakeholder feedback. First, open Draw.io in your web browser and load the diagram you want to edit. You can start from a blank canvas or open an existing file. Give the page a moment to fully load and then click once on the canvas so the app is in focus. That click matters because it tells your browser you want the shortcut to act inside the diagram editor, not on the web page itself. Now press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac to bring up the Find and Replace window in Draw.io. You'll see a small search box appear. In the Find field, type the exact text you're looking for. As you type, Draw.io will locate the first match and highlight it on your canvas. Use the Enter key or the on-screen arrows to jump through each match one by one so you can preview what will be affected. If you only need to locate items, you can stop here and make manual edits as you go. If you want to replace text, expand, or switch to the Replace option within the same window. Enter your replacement text, then choose whether to replace matches individually or all at once. Replacing one at a time is safer when your search term appears in multiple contexts, because you can confirm each change as you navigate. Replace all is faster when you're confident every instance should change. If your first attempt doesn't look right, remember you can immediately undo with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. For more precise results, you can adjust common options like matching case or whole words only. Matching case ensures that only text with the same capitalization is updated, while whole word matching prevents partial replacements inside longer words. If you don't see any results, double-check the spelling, try a simpler search term, or make sure you click the canvas before using the shortcut. Once your replacements are complete, give your diagram a quick pass to confirm everything looks correct. Then save your work so the changes stick. That's all it takes. To recap, open your diagram in Draw.io, bring up Find and Replace with Ctrl or Command+F. Search for your text and, if needed, replace it safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.